Hi everyone, my name is Hong Young, and I will be presenting about color psychologies in graphic design. My content sheet is about introduction, critical review, research methodology, data analysis, and a reference. Introduction. My research topic is about color psychologies in graphic design. And my research problem is about an analysis on how colors and overall snack packaging influence consumer choice, emotion, and purchasing behavior. My research question and objective. My research question is about on how do colors and design on packaging influence consumer emotion when purchasing a snack. And my research objective is to analyze the impact of color to packaging and to analyze impact of typography, graphic, and layout have on consumer perceptions of the quality and appeal of a product overall. Key literature. My first article is about color, shape of design element of packaging label influence consumer expectation and hygienic judgment of specialty coffee. And the second one is color method, a study exploring the influence of packaging on university student perceptions and willingness to pay for organic pasta. And the third article is about food imagery, and transparency in product packaging. Critical review. My first critical review is about color and shape design element of packaging labels influence consumer expectation and hygienic judgment of specialty coffee. This article studies on how consumer expectation and experience with specialty coffee are influenced by packaging design, particularly colors and shape of the labels. The strengths of this article is they focus on design elements highlight, the colors and the shape on customer perceptions, and they have a useful for professionals offer guidance for marketers, designers to enhance their packaging appeal, and its relevance for the consumer. Psychology explore on how packaging design affect consumer expectation and emotional response. And the weakness of this article is there's a sample limitation, result may not generalize, and the cultural limitation, they do not examine on how reaction of different among cultures and ethnic groups. And narrow topics is insight whether applicability may be limited. The second one is about colors matters, a study exploring the influence of packaging colors on university student perceptions and willingness to pay organic pasta. It summarizes about articles investigate on how packaging color influence consumer perception and their willingness to pay for organic pasta on university student. And the strength is to investigate on how color psychology affect consumer impression among younger audience. And the second one is they targeted audience gather essentially information about younger democracy. And practical use offer designer marketers practical information to enhance packaging tactic. And the weakness is the sample limitation may not generalize, cultural limitation may not examine it on how different among the ethics and the cultures, narrow topics, and wider may applicability by limited emphasis on particular design. The third one is about food imagery and transparency in product. It's this article examines on how consumer perception and behavior are influenced by food packaging design, particularly when they use food imagery or transparency packaging. And the strength of this article is an emphasize on how attractive photography can increase product appeal and draw buyers. And the second one is it combines data and practical insight. knowledgeable for marketers and designers, and the study makes helpful recommendation for enhancing food packaging technique. And the weakness is the article may ignore culture and environmental factors that affect consumer view. And the second one, it do not take consider on how various democracy could create food picture and clear food packaging. And small amount of research may take for this articles. Next one, research methodology. The methodology selected method that I use is survey. Why I use survey? Because survey research is ideal for studying on how snack container design influence consumer choice and feeling. It gathers direct feedback from many individuals, revealing their impression, the pattern between design and their purchasing product behavior. Next one, data analysis and data collection. Sampling and data collection. The survey design has clear and easy to understand questions. It covers snack design like design elements like colors, layout, and style. And the question is unbiased and logic organized. Selected participant. Selected range of age is selected as a respondent, and overall there are 64 respondents that has been doing this. The first one we can see here that the age respondent is most of them is age 18 to 24, and the most gender that do this survey is male, and their frequency in purchasing snack are monthly, and the second biggest choice is weekly. And the first thing that they actually notice when they're looking at snack based on the survey is the brand, their design, and the image. This is the top three things that they notice about when they're looking at snack. And how important do they think packaging design in purchasing decision? And they say it's 5. 5 means important. It is really important for them. And colors that represent every snack. And in here, the survey, yellow come out as the colors that really represent cereal for the respondents. And yellow is also one of the colors that represent cookie snack. And while chips, there is green color that represent the most for the respondents. Well, bright color affect happiness to them, while dark tone color affect calmness. The summary. Image of snack or abstract design. Most respondents think that image of snack that influence them the most when purchasing the snack. Snacks packaging affect their decision. Colorful packaging influence them to purchase snack. Unique shape and colorful packaging make them excited for them to purchase snack. And most respondents are not willing to spend more money on packaging. And here's my references. And thank you.